एकदम राम्रो क्या एकदम ह्याप्पी किनकि मलाई लागिरहेको छ कि सेम लाइक माई पर्सनल फ्यामिली एन्ड एकदम खुसी छु यहाँ
Don't be startled if a robot shows up with your food. At this restaurant in Kathmandu, man and machine are working together to serve customers and give them a unique experience.
हाम्रो यहाँ चाहिँ टेबलमा स्क्रिन टच छ यहीँबाट डाइरेक्ट टु किचन अर्डर पास हुन्छ प्रिपेरेसन गरेर अल द रेडीमेड मतलब रेडी गरिन्छ अनि त्यसपछिबाट चाहिँ हामीले किचनबाट चाहिँ रोबोटलाई नै गेस्टलाई सर्भ गराउँछ फुडहरू
Both the robotic service waiters and the employees have been working hand in hand. And I think it's just a repetitive process that we are taking over, not the real jobs.
At the Nolo restaurant, which means new, the robots Ginger and Ferry proudly bear the tag of Made in Nepal. Designed and manufactured by a Nepali company, the creators are confident of the bot's role in the restaurant.
I don't think so it's going to take any of their jobs, but I think it's going to add much of a greater value in terms of service in the hospitality sector with Ginger being deployed.
Customers tend to have mixed reactions after being served by Ginger. Some felt the lack of human connection more than others.
Little bit amazed, and it's not, of course, not usual. So I'm really glad to have experience like this. But at the end, I like to be served by men, not by robots. So that's my opinion.
Especially kidsहरुसँग आउँदाखेरि चाहिँ they enjoy it a lot. यस्तो अझै पनि अब लाइक यस्तो डेभलपमेन्ट हुनुपर्छ जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई चाहिँ रोबोट्स होस् या टेक्नोलोजीले चलाउने त मान्छेले नै हो नि त इट्स नट लाइक उनीहरूले जब खाइदिने भन्ने चाहिँ हुँदैन आफ्टर अल उनीहरूले काम गर्ने नै हामीले नै स्टार्ट गर्नुपर्ने हो नि त रोबोटहरु बनाउने पनि मान्छेले नै हो
These robots work on machine learning and are integrated through swarm intelligence. There is an improved version in the pipeline, and the creators are keen on enhancing the customer experience.
People have shown interest in Malaysia, Philippines, and also in Indonesia. So I think over the time we are planning to expand Asian market and European market. We are planning to advance in terms of technology. We are coming up with the second version of Ginger. We are advancing into augmented reality in our menu as well. It gives us another level of goals and milestone to set.